everybody. Before starting the video, please go through the link and subscribe the channel. Now this is the chapter 3, factorization of polynomials. Topic is factorization of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, and we will do remaining questions of exercise 3G. So we start from the question number 17. Question number 16 we have done up to question number 16 in my previous video, and this is the question number 17, and we will do others now. Now we have to factorize a minus b whole cube plus b minus c whole cube plus c minus a whole cube. Factorize. So first we remind the theorem. If x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Such type of questions, it is a cube plus b cube plus c cube, or we can say here a and b are using in the question. So we are saying we will not take a, b, c, we will take another variable. So x cube plus y cube plus z cube. So we will not open it with the formula of whole cube. We will use the concept x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to these factors. So if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to, this term will be, or we can say this factor will be 0. So 0 into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. It means 0 into something is equal to 0. So you will get x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. Very simple. It means if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, we will use this concept. If x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then we will get x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. So we will use it here in the question. So you can write here, if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. So here x is, let x is equal to a minus b, y is equal to b minus c, and z is equal to c minus a. Now x plus y plus z find out. So here x plus y plus z is equal to a minus b plus b minus c plus c minus a. So open this, a minus b plus b minus c plus c minus a. All terms cancel to each other. So you will get 0. X plus y plus z is equal to 0. It means these terms will be 0. It means x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. So here write down a minus b whole cube, therefore, plus b minus c whole cube plus c minus a whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz, means 3 x is a minus b, y is b minus c, and z is c minus c. So these are the factors. Answer. Next question. Same we will use in this question. So x cube solution. If x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to, not if, x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to x 3xy z. If x plus y plus z is equal to 0, we will use this concept. So here let x is equal to a minus 3b, y is equal to 3b minus c, and z is equal to c minus a. Now find out x plus y plus z. So a minus 3b plus 3b minus c plus c minus a is equal to a minus 3b plus 3b minus c plus c minus a. C is cancelled, a is cancelled, 3b is cancelled. You will get 0. It means x plus y plus z is equal to 0. So x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz, where we are taking x, y, z are these. So here therefore a minus 3b cube plus 3b minus c cube plus c minus a whole cube is equal to 3. X means a minus 3b, y means 3b minus c, and z means c minus a. These are the factors using this concept. Answer. Question number 19. Now next question number 19. We will use the same concept. Solution. If x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz, where x is 3a minus 2b, y is 2b minus 5c, and z is 5c minus 3a. So x plus y plus z. Let x is equal to 3a minus 2b, y is equal to 2b minus 5c, and z is equal to 5c minus 3a. Now x plus y plus z means 3a minus 2b plus 2b minus 5c plus 5c minus 3a. See what you will get. 3a minus 2b plus 2b minus 5c plus 5c minus 3a. Cancel 3a, 5c cancel, and 2b cancel. You will get 0. It means x plus y plus z 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube means these are the cubes will be 3xyz. So write here 3a minus 2b whole cube plus 2b minus 5c whole cube plus 5c minus 3a whole cube is equal to 3 into xyz means 3a minus 2b into 2b minus 5c, 2b minus 5c into 5c minus 3a. These are the factors. Answer. See the question number 20. It is same as question number 19 and 18, 17. So what to do? Here we will use the concept x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. So here x is 5a minus 7b, y is 7b minus 9c, and z is 9c minus 5a. So x plus y plus z, check here, x plus y plus z is equal to 5a minus 7b plus 7b minus 9c plus 9c minus 5a. So you will get 5a plus and 5a minus cancel, minus 7b plus 7b cancel, 9c and 9c cancel. It means this is equal to 0. So this cube is equal to 3xyz, means 3 into 5a minus 7b into 7b minus 9c into 9c minus 5a. These are the factors. So write down the concept which we have used in question number 19. Here I am doing in short, but you should show this. If x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. You have shown this concept. Now this is the answer. Now see the question number 21. A cube b minus c whole cube plus b cube c minus a whole cube plus c cube a minus b whole cube. Here you will not open with the identity of b x minus y whole cube. You will use the exponent law, x and y having the same power, x to the power of m, y to the power of m. So you can write it x y whole to the power of m. Now you can write it a b minus c whole cube plus b c minus a whole cube plus c a minus b whole cube. Now this is in the form of x cube plus y cube plus z cube. So this is x cube plus this is y cube plus this is z cube. So x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz if x plus y plus z is equal to 0. So here we are taking x plus y plus z, means a b minus c, this is x, plus this is y, b c minus a plus z c a minus b. Open it, ab minus ac, bc minus ab plus ac minus bc. So ab cancel, ac cancel, bc cancel, you will get 0. It means x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. So you can write a cube b minus c whole cube plus b cube c minus a whole cube plus c cube a minus b whole cube is equal to 3x means what is x? A b minus c, a into b minus c, y means b into c minus a, b into c minus a, and z means c into a minus b, c into a minus b. Now you can write it 3abc and a minus b, b minus c, c minus c, b minus c into c minus e. So these are the factors of the given expression. Answer. Take a whole view. Next, question number 22. Question number 22, first part, and this is second part. So let's do first part. A cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to, or you can say x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz if x plus y plus z is equal to 0. So if solution x plus y plus z, find out. This is x, this is y, and this is z. So x plus y plus z. Substitute the value. Minus 12 plus 7 plus 5. 7 and 5, 12, and minus 12. Get 0. It means if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube means minus 12 cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube is equal to 3xyz is equal to 3 into minus 12 into 7 into 5 and get the answer minus 1260. Answer same this question. So x plus y plus z, solution x plus y plus z, this is z, y, and this is x, is equal to, add 28 plus minus 15, y is minus 15 and z is minus 13, minus 13. 28 minus 15 minus 13, you will get 5 and 3 8, 1 and 1 2, plus 28 minus 28 is equal to 0. It means a cube plus b, x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. Right here 28 cube plus minus 15 cube plus minus 13 whole cube is equal to 3 into 28 into minus 15 into minus 13. Minus minus plus, so answer will be positive. Now you will get the answer 16380. Next question. Now question number 23, prove that a plus b plus c whole cube minus a cube minus b cube minus c cube is equal to 3a plus b into b plus c into c plus a. Now here take a plus b as x, these two together, and this is y. This is x and this is y. So x plus y whole cube is equal to, use the identity, x cube plus y cube plus 3xy x plus y. So it becomes, this will be equal to, this is x, a plus b. So a plus b plus c whole cube is equal to a plus b plus c whole cube is equal to, x cube means a plus b whole cube plus y cube means c cube plus 3x means a plus b and y means c into x plus y. X means a plus b plus y means c. So the value of this whole cube will be, it is the value of, and this is minus a cube minus b cube minus c cube, continue, minus a cube minus b cube minus c cube. Now again use the identity of a plus b whole cube. So a cube plus b cube plus 3ab, here a is a and b is b, so 3ab a plus b, a plus b. Here this is completely x, so here this is x means a, So open this identity. Same here we did. Now this part is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b plus c cube plus 3c into a plus b c a plus b into a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c minus a cube minus b cube minus a cube minus b cube minus c cube. So these three are cancelled to each other. Only you will get here 3a plus b plus 3c a plus b into a plus b plus c. This is equal to, you can take a plus b common from both the terms and 3 also common. So take 3 into a plus b as common factor, and in the bracket a, because 3 and a plus we have taken common. Now plus c into a plus b plus c. Now this becomes 3 into a plus b, a plus ac plus bc plus c square. Here 3 into a plus b. Now do factors by taking common. So if you take here, this is AC and BC, C common, and just here this is 3AB. So right here AB, this is AB, and when we taking 3A plus B common, so in the bracket AB, this was missing, so that it is not going proper. Now it is correct, AB and AC. So you can take A as common factor and B plus C. Here you can take C common and B plus C. Now you will get your answer, A plus B and B plus C common. So other part will be A and plus C. So all factors of the given, this we have to prove that. So 3 A plus B, B plus C, A plus C or C plus A, both are same thing, proved. This we have to prove. Next question, question number 24. Let's have a complete look and come to the next question. Now question number 24, if A, B, C are all non-zero and A plus B plus C is equal to 0, prove that A square upon BC plus B square upon CA plus C square upon AB is equal to 3. Proof. Here we will use this A plus B plus C is equal to 0. So if A plus B plus C is equal to 0, then you know A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3ABC. We have solved the question based on this concept, or we can say theorem. So we will use it, this concept. A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3ABC. Now divide both sides by ABC. So on dividing, so you will get a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc upon abc. Here also divide abc. On dividing LHS and RHS by ABC. Okay, so what you will get? A cube upon ABC plus b cube upon ABC plus c cube upon ABC is equal to 3, and next step will be, here a cancel and you will get a square. So a square upon BC plus b square upon AC plus c square upon AB is equal to 3, which we have to be proved. Now proved. Next question number 25. If a plus b plus c is equal to 9 and a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 35, find the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. We have solved so many questions based on this identity, so we will use it to solve. Solution: a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to, you know, a plus b plus c. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ac. So we have to substitute the given values. So here a plus b plus c is 9 into a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 35. Put the value 35 minus ab minus bc minus ac. So you can write it in the bracket, take minus common, ab plus bc plus ac, and use another bracket. Now this ab plus bc plus ac comes in the formula a plus b plus c whole square. We have a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. We have already studied this identity, so we will use it to find the value of ab plus bc plus ac from here. So you can write it, a plus b plus c means 9. Right here 9 square, and a square plus b square plus c square is 35. Substitute the value of this, plus taking 2 common, and ab plus bc plus ac in the bracket. Now 9 square means 81 minus 35 and upon 2 is equal to ab plus bc plus ac. Subtract, so you will get 11 minus 5 is equal to 6, and 7 minus 3 4. 46 upon 2 is equal to AB plus BC plus AC, and you will get 23. Got it? So AB plus BC plus AC is equal to 23. Therefore AB plus BC plus AC is equal to 23. This value we will substitute here. So you will get the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Now I am marking it here, but you can write it all here. So this will be equal to 9 into 35 minus 23. Solve it. 9 into, we will get 12 and 108. This is the answer. Students, all the questions have completed now, and our next video will be based on MCQs. So students, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the video and give comments. Thank you.